Hey all, today I want to speak you about the reason because in the Alliance Rebellion the Executor system is 12,800 meters in length. This happens because I used as reference the Star Wars Behind the Magic DVD guide released 24 years ago. This guide added many data from films, with comparisons and descriptions from the original models. The guide speaking about 19 kilometers had nothing, just words, one picture and nothing more. In fact, I believe how it was a mistake accepted by people without studying nothing. And clearly the Wikipedia continues the error, nothing strange because it is full of incorrect things. Just people accepted it because it was more fun. Probably you recognize many of this data from seeing it on other sources. Now the biggest point here is, can I use the 12,800 meters in length? Yes. Is more canon the 19 kilometers in length? No. Just it, end of discussion.